Well, I think with Filtermist, it's the brand that everybody knows, and that generally most of our customers, they don't ask for mist extraction, they ask for a filter mist. So, generally that's what we supply.
And Filtermist have been very, very good in advising us on what they want, reasonably priced, and more important than everything else, they have actually done exactly what they said they would do.
Yeah, so it's a standard purchase with a machine nowadays. A bit like work holding and bits like that, it's a necessity. So the advantage is obviously it takes all the nasties out of the air and sort of keeps nice and clean. And the guys sort of nice, clean working environment, that everything's more productive.
Yeah, speaking to one of your guys off camera, I know they say that they enjoy the Filtermist because it's a safer working environment as well.
Absolutely, and I think that's key these days. You've got to look after your staff to keep the productivity up. At the end of the day, they are the core of any business.
We have noted that on the machines with the Filtermist skimmers, then the tramp oil is remarkably reduced. We're very, very happy with them.
By offering the Filtermist service that they offer to mills, is that it's one less thing for us to worry about, because they actually service the Filtermist units on the machines, so when we go out we don't have to get involved with that.
They offer the full package as well as tailor making the units to our more mature machines that we've got there, retrofitting onto there. They also follow it up with a support package that goes with that as well. So we get the signature signed off once a year. We know that we're doing what our social responsibility, we're filling our social responsibility, and it's obviously it's better for our largest investment, which is our staff. We owe it to them to maintain a reasonable work environment. We've got anywhere from long-serving gentlemen that have done 10, 15, 20 years with us, all to the new set of recruits from local colleges. 7 apprentices at the moment in here, and we want to keep them, and they spend a lot of time at the workplace, and the environment has to be fitting for them. So it's a win-win all round, really, Joe.
Here at Goering, we value our employees. Filtermist to help us with that, help us with our environment around us, and yeah, it ticks all the boxes for us.
It's a very good system, quiet, and it's that clean that we even have a summer-winter diverter, so we can push the warm air back into the factory to keep the factory warm through the winter. Any problems we have, they handle straight away. Yeah, they're great.
There's no question about it whatsoever. We have noticed that with various things that we've done within the company, including the Filtermist systems, we don't have a high absentee record because of not feeling well, coughing and spluttering. The atmosphere is good to work in, whether it's internal or outside.
We're supported very well by Filtermist, engineers availability, spares. So yeah, we have no complaints. Very, very good partnership.